Hi everyone! Today I will show you the Corsair K70 CORE RGB keyboard. The keyboard costs about €100 and I'm using it for my work and playing games. I got it mainly because I could not see my keys in the dark, but it has way more useful features than just showing nice colors. But let's first test all the available colors and effects. The effects are the so-called inbuilt effects, which are working without any software. Later I will show you how you can customize the keyboard with software. To access the effects, you can simply hold the FN key and press one of the highlighted key between 1 and 0. The sound of the keyboard is okay, not very clicky, and it is not hard to press the buttons. With this knob you can control your volume, zoom or the vertical and horizontal scroll. If you press the button, the volume will be muted. Alright, let's now check the software. The software is called iCue and it is also working with a bunch of other Corsair products. If I launch the iCue software, it will control the keyboard, so it is not possible to switch to other effects now. You have to create the effects by yourself. To change the settings of the keyboard, you simply click on the keyboard and on the left side you have a bunch of settings. For example, light effects, key assignments and so on. You can also have multiple profiles. For example, if you launch a game, you can activate a special profile which will highlight important keys on your keyboard. Here, for example, I have a profile for Team Fortress 2 with highlighted WASD keys. Let's edit a blank profile and customize some keys. You simply have to click on plus and using your mouse you have to select the keys which you want to customize. Select also the lighting type and customize the effects. You can add as many effects as you want for a profile and every single key. Of course, you can also reassign the buttons to do whatever you like. For example, press another button, write some text, move the mouse or launch some programs and so on. Personally, I use the FN key with combination of a normal key to do whatever I like. For example, FN plus C launches the calculator. I have been using this keyboard for a while and I'm very happy with it. So that's all for today. If you liked the video, leave a like or even subscribe or comment if you have some questions about this keyboard.